The CS First Coding Project is going to be a number of days, and you can go at your own pace. I would like for you to try to finish one activity per day if you can. Some of the activities are a little bit more involved, so it may take you 2 days to complete one of the activities. This can be found in Schoology, CS First Coding Activity, and if you click on the link that's attached to the assignment, um, you may have to click on CS First Home because it's asking for you to sign in with your Google. You're going to say you're a student, and then you're going to sign in with your Google account. Now, my screen is not going to show up the same way yours is because I have an account for a teacher account. So I'm going to try to get this to where you will see what I see. So let me just get there quick. You should see something that looks like this. And what you're going to click on is the words music and sound. You'll click on that. And you can click OK, I got it. And what you will see is section 1 called Introduction and Discovery. Now, basically, all this is a survey. They talk about computer science, which is what CS First stands for, CS, computer science. And then it just takes you through a couple of problem-solving things, a reflection, and a wrap-up. And before I begin, I want to say this before you guys begin. You must be in Chrome. So Safari will not work for some reason. Safari has, you need some updates on Safari, which we don't have in the school. So you want to make sure you go into Chrome. If you're not in Chrome yet, get in Chrome first, and then get in Schoology, and then click on the CS First assignment. Chrome can be found on your second icon of your dock. Again, you're not seeing the same thing that I have because it's different. And you want to get on page 2. Let's see if I can get this. No, I can't. You want to get on page 2 and you'll see the icon for Google Chrome. So you always want to make sure you're in Google Chrome. That's very, very important. So, all right, so now I'm going to get started here. So you're going to click the Start button. You're going to answer the survey questions. You're going to play the video. You're going to listen to the video. All the way to the end. And once you click the video, it tells you to click the next button to move on. So you'll answer these questions. Scroll down, answer them all. It goes through some block coding, which is what you're going to be doing with this assignment. It's just asking you if you know what this is, have you had any experience with it, and then you're going to hit next. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to play this video by hitting the play button. But what you want to do first is click the starter project. I think actually it tells you to click, you want to click the starter project. And when you click starter project, it opens up a separate tab where you will see Scratch. Scratch is a block coding website where you can drag your work into the middle. There's sounds, there's different controls like wait, repeat, do a forever loop. There's all sorts of things, maybe when green flag is clicked, so that when you hit the green flag, you'll see that the cat moves 10 steps. If you keep hitting the green flag, it keeps moving. So that's just an example. Um, so it tells you exactly what to do on these tutorial videos, and then you're going to hit the next button. Okay, now this is where it tells you what to do with the kitty cat in Scratch, which is your tab that you have next door. You're just going to play the video. Here's another link for the starter project to open up Scratch, but you already clicked it, so you don't have to worry. You'll hit the play button, and you can hit play.
In this screencast, you get familiar with
And pause if you need something repeated or you're not quite sure what to do. You can kind of hit the pause button, okay? And you're basically going to keep going, do what it tells you to do. You're going to hit next till you get through all of these little buttons. Now, once you get through all of the buttons, it asks you to do a reflection. Once you're finished, you're going to have all of these items checked marked green, which means you did everything. Okay? Now I can see your work on my side. I can see everything you do in Scratch. I can see your projects because you have a Google account and you're in my class. Um, I can see your work, so I will be grading your work um, by looking at your projects. And this step 1, Introduction and Discovery, has 6 steps that you'll go through all of them. Don't skip any of them. Got to listen to all of them. That would be day 1. Finish section 1, and when you're finished, you'll do your typing. Then you'll go to Dance Party. Dance Party would be another one-day project. You'll click Start. And again, you listen to this video which introduces the project, and you'll pick one of these starter projects. You don't have to do all 4, just one. I think one is a girl, one is a boy, one is a cat, and one is a robot. So you'll click on the starter project, which is where you will do all your work, which is what I will see to grade you on. So it loads, and basically you're going to code, hit the stop sign to stop the code. You're going to just follow along. You're just going to keep hitting next till you get through all of these steps. Then that will conclude, let me see here. That will conclude the dance party section. The dance party section has 8 steps. Then you'll just keep going. There's musical art. Musical art has 7 steps. 4, Guru Introduction and Musical Talent Show, that has 5 steps. DJ Mixer has 8 steps. And some of these activities take more than one day, so take your time. 6 is music video, that is 6 steps. 7 is movie sound effects and music composition, that is also 8 steps. And the last section is kind of like a thank you project with 5 steps. Now you work at your own pace. This is called the CS First Music and Sound Project, and I just wanted to explain it to you so that you had a better understanding of how to do this project. You should see your icon up here that says that you're in your Google account, and again, I will be able to grade your work from my end.